In this video, we provide a short demonstration of the DeepSurface RiskAnalyzer integration for Lansweeper, including an overview of the benefits and how to configure it. But first, what is RiskAnalyzer? DeepSurface RiskAnalyzer radically reduces your vulnerability management workload by adding an innovative layer of security analysis to the Lansweeper dataset, analyzing access rights, user behavior, network configuration, and system configuration to provide deep visibility into how security breaches could occur. In a basic deployment alongside Lansweeper, RiskAnalyzer draws asset inventory and vulnerability information from Lansweeper, carefully analyzes it, and reports on the results. This adds improved risk analysis, executive reporting, and remediation workflows to the Lansweeper data that you already have. Optionally, if you have other sources of asset and vulnerability information, such as vulnerability scanning platforms, EDR or XDR products, you can connect these to the DeepSurface platform as well. This allows you to normalize all sources of information to help ensure you have a complete view of every asset, allowing you to compare coverage levels for each tool in your environment. It also automatically deduplicates vulnerability reports across platforms and allows all platforms to benefit from the expanded risk analysis and workflows I mentioned a moment ago. Finally, in a complete deployment scenario, you can augment this information with RiskAnalyzer's own data collection step, which captures even more security-relevant information, including network access rights, user account access rights, security configuration, and user behavior data to greatly expand the contextual information used in the analysis. This step gives you the attack path visibility and risk analysis that DeepSurface is known for, helping you radically streamline your patch and vulnerability management processes. Before we begin configuring this integration, let me touch on the deployment requirements. All RiskAnalyzer license levels and deployment scenarios currently support this integration. However, this integration does require a Lansweeper cloud or hybrid installation. Purely on-premises Lansweeper deployments are not supported at this time. With that, let's go ahead and set up the integration with Lansweeper. First, log in to the RiskAnalyzer console and navigate to the Scanning Vulnerability Sources area. Next, click on the button on the top right of the screen labeled Plus Vulnerability Source. You will see a pop-up that allows you to enter the details for your integration. Simply select Lansweeper from the first drop-down, and then the form will change to show the fields that you need to fill in. The first thing you will need is a site ID for each of the Lansweeper sites that you wish to sync with. In addition, you will need an application identity code generated within the Lansweeper Cloud interface that is configured to grant access to each of these sites. Please refer to Lansweeper documentation to obtain the site IDs and to set up the identity code. Alternatively, look for specific setup steps within the RiskAnalyzer integrated manual, which can be found at the top right of your main console screen. Once you have your site IDs and your application identity code, simply enter them and click Save. Note that if you have multiple site IDs to configure, you'll need to repeat this process for each site. That is true even if the application identity code is shared across sites. At this point, RiskAnalyzer will automatically begin syncing the latest inventory and vulnerability data from Lansweeper at least once a day. However, you can initiate the process right away for a site by clicking the Import button next to the configured integration. This will produce a confirmation pop-up, which gives you the option to run a full analysis after the import completes. Once your import job is launched, please navigate to the Activity Tasks area and observe the currently running job. Once this job is complete, it should run the analysis job. After that's done, you'll see the updated data in all of your RiskAnalyzer reports. This concludes our demonstration of the integration between DeepSurface RiskAnalyzer and Lansweeper. Thanks for watching.